Recognizing quality filament. To ensure you're using a high-quality filament, consider the following factors: diameter, consistency, quality filament. Filaments maintain a consistent diameter, typically 1.75 mm or 2.85 mm. Variations can lead to clogging or poor print quality. Material purity. High-quality filaments are made from pure materials without fillers. Fillers can lead to brittleness and inconsistent printing. Moisture content. Quality filaments have low moisture content, preventing issues like bubbles or stringing. Some filaments come vacuum sealed with desiccants. Color consistency. Good filaments maintain a consistent color throughout the spool. This ensures uniformity in printed parts. Manufacturer reputation. Established brands often provide more reliable filaments. Check reviews and community feedback. Packaging. Proper packaging includes vacuum sealing and desiccants. Look for filaments that are well protected against moisture and dust. Print performance. Test prints should show smooth layers, strong adhesion, and minimal warping. Evaluate the filament based on your specific printer settings and conditions. By understanding the types of filaments and recognizing quality indicators, you can select the best material for your 3D printing projects and achieve optimal results.